I keep seeing the word Anij. Alabami kajarbuan nanle, you melabami aguele meni. But you guys don't even know the real meaning for the word Anij. So not only did the missionaries take and replace our culture, they did the same thing with a lot of our vocabulary. The natives understand Anij to be ghosts that harm people or at least inspire fear. I feel like they associated that with the Christian God because it inspires fear. In the broader sense of the word, Anij can be understood to mean all terrifying creatures such as sea monsters, aka Anij poisonous fish, or moray eels. From this perspective, sorcery, aka Anij, as a machination, oh my gosh, I never knew how to pronounce this. I have no idea what the hell that means. Harmful to humans is also related to the word Anij. So the modern day word for Anij is Kanijinij, which is sorcery. And then we have our other word, Kanijinij, which means cussing slash cuss words. And none of us thought to connect this to the word Anij. And that's because we don't even know our own history. Also, shout out to the guy that tried to make me feel bad for reading more books than the Bible. Like, you are the reason why I decided to stop arguing with everybody. Because if you guys are the representation of a lot of these Marshallese Christians, you didn't change my mind about anything except for the fact that now I am more concerned about my people. The people that took everything from us favor Marshallese people like you because you are the perfect brainwashed slave.